In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Editor.wix.com. We're going to walk through how to open your site in the Wix editor, locate your registration form, customize it with the right fields, preview the experience, review submissions, and then save and publish your changes. Keep your Wix editor open so you can follow along. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. Once the editor loads, look for the highlighted area that opens the tools you need. From there, select Registration, then go to Registration Forms. You'll see a panel where Wix groups form options. Click the highlighted prompts to proceed and add the registration form to your page. If your form is already on the page, click the form itself to select it. Then click Edit Form to open the full form builder. Inside the form builder, click the highlighted button to add fields. You'll notice categories on the left that help you build a complete registration flow. Under General, you'll find essentials like name, email, and phone fields. Choices offers checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-downs. Great for letting visitors pick from predefined options. Dates allows you to capture calendar selections. Appointments and services is helpful if your registration ties to bookings or service selections. Payments provides secure fields for collecting fees during registration, if needed. Finally, layout elements give you dividers, headings, and text blocks to organize your form and make it easier to read. As you add fields, rename labels so they're clear, set required fields thoughtfully, and keep the form as short as possible to improve completion rates. When your form looks good, click Preview to see how it behaves live. In the preview, interact with the highlighted elements to ensure fields, choices, and any payment or appointment pieces work as expected. Try entering sample data to check validation messages and the overall flow. If something feels confusing, return to the form builder and adjust labels or layout for clarity. Next, open submissions to review how incoming entries will appear in your workspace. This is where you'll track responses once visitors start registering. Then go to Settings to confirm form behavior, things like confirmation messages, where notifications go, and how data is stored. Make sure the experience is consistent with your goals. When everything is ready, click Save. Use the highlighted prompt to exit any overlays if needed. Then click Publish to push your updates live. Finally, click Done to close the flow and return to your editor. That's it. Your registration form is customized, tested, and live. If you plan to iterate,